आज देश के लिए और भारतवासियों के लिए एक गर्व कारण का दिन है। इसको तो हम नहीं दिखा सकते, फॉर द सिंपल रीज़न we are able to vaccinate 100 crore people, that is 1 billion in the country of ours. It's a milestone. Nobody can deny it. But at the same time, India has been doing in food and health sectors a remarkable and revolutionary measures have been taken after independence, and especially with the Congress government. Food and health is the most important thing for people, whether rich or poor, whether region or religion does not come in the way. That's the necessity. So that's why food for all, lowest prices for the poor in the world by the Congress government as far as food is concerned. Health-wise, we have taken a lot of measures. For example, pulse polio. So 92 we started, 95 we took it as a challenge, and we have eliminated pulse polio in the country. After 25-26 crore boys and girls, the country has given 17 crore vaccinations. Yeah, Manmohan Singh was the Prime Minister at that time. And in 2014 March, the World Health Organization declared India has eradicated pulse polio. Prior to that, in the 60s and 80s, malaria was the same thing. The common people were getting affected, remote area people were affected, they were eliminated. But unfortunately, in the last 7 years of Modi's rule, it's coming like this, spreading a lot. That's okay. I'm not trying to defame him, but the fact is, it's a matter of pride for a country. But what have you done? This 100 बोल रहा है ना, 100 is a good number for him, I think. So 2014 elections में क्या बोला? 100 दिन में, 100 days में मैं प्रेसेस कम करता हूँ. क्या 100 दिन जाके कितने हो गए? 7.5 साल हो रहे. 7.5 साल में 26 times 100 days चले गए. 26 times 100 days चले गए. कभी लोगों के सामने आके कुछ बात किया क्या? फ्यूल प्राइसेस कौन है? वो हवाई जहाज में फिरने वाला और 5 स्टार होटल में खाने वाले के लिए है. 22 crore two wheelers, 4 crore diesel pump sets, and then 4 crore the 3 wheelers. They are all used by families. And gas cylinders, 28 crores. How many? Each family about 4. That's about 100 crore. So majority of the people. What about the farmers? 60% of the people are farming community, dependent. So 60% of 130 crore is 78-80 crore. So 80 crore people are affected, and you don't come and talk to. And then on the top of it, this country, we are proud and we take pride. Our pharmacy, our better people, well-informed people are able to manufacture corona vaccine in the country. How many countries are manufacturing? Hardly 5 or 6. It's a matter of pride for us. It's not because Modi has come Prime Minister. So when they are manufacturing within the country, and we are not able to give more than 72 out of 100 people till today, even though it's 100 crore vaccine is come. Do you know what it is in the world? There are 132 countries ahead of India by giving more than 72 out of 100 people in the world. They're all not, big countries or scientifically developed countries. Small countries are also there. Not all the countries are manufacturing vaccines. And here is the Prime Minister who comes and visits manufacturing facility without the presence of the local chief ministers. Is it a good thing in a democracy? And what happened? You only made them people clap hands and also light divas to drive away corona. Is it because of that the corona is gone? It's a matter of shame. Our people, the Indians, the manufacturers, this thing, we have done that. And he is trying to take the credit. What happened with the imported, medicines and kits? They're all, gone into the Bay of Bengal. Either corruption or not good equipment, both combined together. You know what happened? Huh? So all these things he has to answer. So let us utilize our efforts. He has not come back before the people on 100 days of price rise, on hundreds of days of fuel prices, and also when the farmers are being killed, he has not even said a single word. When the farmers are hesitating for almost a year, he has never come before the nation to say and convince the farmers and the necessity of these orders. It's a black loss. So he doesn't come to people on all, but still he is our Prime Minister. My appeal is to review. Good and bad is part of governance. You have more bad than the good. Review it. Come before the people. Explain. Take the advice. That should be the attitude. So is the case with KCR. Huh? He may say that he has done 2 crore people or something, but he is the man who said no mask. He is the man who said only paracetamol. He is the man only, he said 24 degrees nothing will come. हाँ? अरे वो ये बोलता है फार्म हाउस में जाके 45 दिन सोते हैं in the most difficult time of corona. How can you explain? What kind of alibi that you have? Don't you think that people in a democratic setup have a right to question you and ask you? Do we not have a statement that please review, please work in the interest of the people and the place? That's what we are doing. That's what Congress is doing. And you try to find fault with us. Thank you.